Hello all my YouTube fans, just giving you a rundown of the aftermath of the snow. It wasn't as bad as we expected it, but it was enough to plow and shovel and give you the whole entire lowdown. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe below, and follow me on Twitter, Twitch, and a whole bunch of other stuff. As you can see, the snow was piled up on this park bench, and we're down on Barton Street at Victoria and Hamilton, and we're just giving you the rundown and the gist of what's going on here after the call of the snow. You can see the big snowbanks and the whole thing. We're here at near the General Hospital, as you can see. So that's the final update of the snowstorm that we had overnight here in Hamilton, Ontario. I am Fire Rat 1980. Like us, subscribe to us, comment below, thumbs up for like, thumbs down for dislike, and also get me on Fire Rat 1980 on Twitch, Twitter, and Xbox Live, and get me on Ustream at Fire-Rat, and get me at Fire-Rat on KH Network. Anyways, guys, have a great one. We give you a quick update. Have a good day.